the going gets tough, you gotta look at your friends beside you. Every now and then send a prayer up, 'cause the devil's 2 steps behind you. And count your lucky stars, the trouble don't come and find you. So step into the ring, brother, crack another smile. There's only gonna be one standing.
Oh my God.
You walk the lonely road, you'll be fine. 'Cause these bright lights are better than gold. I would never let go. Try hard to find my way through and through. This time doing better than you know. Nobody's gonna stop the show. Look what you made me do. Look what you made me do.
Round 1, fight! Round 2, fight!
Oh, you can. KO.
Final round.
Perfect.
Hey there, y'all. Thanks for watching the video. Hope you liked it. I'm working on another one right now that's coming out next week, but I'm uploading this one right now. And it came to mind that some people are going to probably be thinking, why did you upload this video? It's not like a travel video with a crazy life lesson. It's definitely not an educational video by any means. And to that, I'll say, that's exactly why I uploaded it. My very first video is me and my friends. It's a recap of me and my friends having fun at a party in college, like my freshman year. I picked up a camera to be able to remember those moments and to remember them as vividly as I could, because I know time goes by fast. So I wanted to be able to remind myself of the good times. And that's exactly what this is. I've been doing this for such a long time now, and now the videos that are coming out are so much better, and I believe will be able to last longer and will be able to help me when I'm older remember those good times the way that I actually felt them. So that's it. That's it. That's nothing crazy. It's just these videos are special to me. They're how I got started. And I see it full circle now that I can have higher quality videos about the same topics. And that topic is the people I love. See you next week.